Today we're talking about the Amolen S-Series 3D printing filament, and I gotta say, it's pretty wild. So the S-Series filament is a spiral multicolor PLA that Amolen describes as a co-extruded PLA. So basically this is a shiny silk PLA, and Amolen says it's supposed to give you a surprise gradient effect. So all your models will have like this random color change to them. So the S-Series comes in a few different colors, and we've got the red, blue, green, and the black, pink, white. And you can see the difference on how it looks on the roll versus how it prints on the model. Don't get surprised with the Amolen tricolor PLA. This is the tricolor that is blue, green, orange, and you can see the difference on how that gradient looks versus the actual S-Series PLA and how that psychedelic effect happens on the model. So this is a 1.75 millimeter PLA, which standard PLA size most folks are running. And I love that Amolen uses these transparent spools so you can see how much filament is left in the roll before you run out. So check out the Amolen S-Series filament if you're looking for some crazy 3D models, but don't forget to look at everything Amolen has to offer. They come in a variety of colors in PLA and PETG, and they're really one of our go-to filaments for all of our 3D printing needs.